This is just the title of the title of the webinar. So today we are addressing challenges and opportunities for future research and practice in disaster risk management. As you know, our project roadmap is trying to make the links between the disaster risk management in a multi-risk context, and we are addressing mainly the scientific.
Good morning, Domingos. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, Andrea. Morning, welcome. I was just presenting the title of our webinar, and I'll give you the word, Andrea, in a minute. So the agenda of today will be that you are seeing. We'll have this opening and a brief presentation of the project by its coordinator, Professor Andrea Prota. And afterwards, we'll have these different interventions that are presented here. I'd like to inform all of you that this webinar is being broadcast not only in the Zoom platform, and by the way, we are also putting it in the YouTube live, and also it will be recorded for future use of the project and for all of those that are interested in these topics and could not attend the meeting but would like to follow it afterwards. All the attendees are welcome to participate and give their contributions. As you can see, you cannot use your microphone and cameras for the benefit, let's say, of the work, but you can always intervene using the question and answers, addressing comments or questions to any one of the speakers or the interventions, or if you want to make any comment, we will follow them. If possible, all the queries that will be made will be replied during the meeting, during the webinar. If not, we'll try to address them by writing in the near future. And after having welcomed all of you, I would like to give the word to Andrea Prota, the coordinator of Roadmap Project, and if you want to also welcome our participants. Andrea, please. Do you want to use any presentation, Andrea?
I will. Good morning. I will use a background from the website. So I will. In a while, I will share my screen. I see that I am unable to do that, so I should be able to do that. Good morning to all of you. Good morning to the speakers and to the attendees, and also to those that will be able to review this meeting afterwards. My thanks to the group of Professor Viegas that is organizing this meeting today, and the organization is excellent as in previous occasions, so thanks a lot. I will be glad to just briefly present to those who are not aware of the project what is Roadmap and which is the partnership. I thought that this could be done in an efficient and fast way using as background the website, because this is also an opportunity for us to advertise and point out to all of you that all information are updated and uploaded on this website. The project Roadmap is coordinated by the Italian consortium CI3R, Italian Center for Research on Risk Reduction. This is a center that has been established in 2019 under the auspices of the Department of Civil Protection, the Italian Department of Civil Protection, who is not a partner of the center, but has promoted this initiative, which has the goal of creating a network of the centers of competencies that Italian civil protection use currently as scientific support on different topics. So in this screenshot, you see the partners of CI3R, which are for the earthquake engineering risk EOCentre, which is based in Pavia, and Relewis is in a national network of earthquake engineering laboratories. We have CIMA, which is mainly focused on the hydrogeologic risk, INGV, we have ISPRA, we have the National Council of Research in Italy, we have OGS, Oceanographic Center, and we have also the Italian Agency of Space. You see, as I told you, the logo of the Italian Civil Protection Department, which is in this case related to a center of University of Florence related to risks. So as you can understand, this was an initiative aiming at coordinating the activities of Italy in support of all system of civil protection. And one of the first projects that we proposed, we launched, is a roadmap. So now I move to the section on the projects, because with this occasion, I can also share with all of you that we are also running another project, which is BORIS. Is acronym stands for Cross-Border Risk Assessment for Increased Prevention and Preparedness in Europe. So for those of you who are interested, you can check out the website. Then let's go to roadmap. So roadmap is a project which is going to its last part of duration. It's a project which is really focused on the disaster risk management, and the consortium that proposed this project is now in this section of the website. So again, CI3R, which operates in this project through three of its partners, CIMA, Iocentre, and Relewis, that are present also today. And then we have other colleagues, partners from outside of Italy, which is ADAI and University of Stavanger. We have been honored of the fact that in this project, the Italian Department of Civil Protection decided to be a partner. So we have these four partners: CI3R, the Italian Civil Protection Department, ADAI, and University of Stavanger. The project has the main objective of create a doctrine on this issue of disaster risk management, and this sketch try to explain the approach. So in order to create this European Observatory on Disaster Risk and Crisis Management Best Practices, we have activated several activities in which we try to analyze and comment about the best practices and innovation in the field of disaster risk management. So we have a bottom-up approach, because we try to get, we have tried, and we also still try to get information about this from the website, from the disaster risk management community. And we have had a great benefit from the contribution of the advisory group that in a while I would like to mention, because I'd like to thank the advisory group. So through these tools, we have issued, and we are still working on, periodical bulletins and thematic papers. All these will be finalized in the vision paper, which is ongoing. It's it's in progress. We will have a final workshop in June in Rome, and we tried to have this interaction with the community and with all the interested stakeholders through several webinars. You can find information about the dates and the topics of the webinars already held in the website. The final goal is to propose a solution explorer, which we hope that it can be integrated in the disaster risk management knowledge network and center. And in this sense, I would like to thank DG ECO, because we have interacted in an institutional way with DG ECO in order to make this solution explorer not only compatible in terms of IT technology, but also in terms of criteria, because one of the main motivation substantiating the sustainability of the project is the fact that the Solution Explorer that we will deliver at the end of this period of the project is a Solution Explorer in terms of a framework with some examples. But of course, the objective is that this Solution Explorer can be integrated in the DRM-KC and also can be enriched by the main stakeholder in the next years. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the advisory group. You can find all the names and members, so I don't read the names, but in one way, I would like to thank all the colleagues that represented the science, but also the decision makers from different countries and experts of different risks. I would like finally to invite all of you to check out also the section about publications, because here we upload the bulletin, but also the thematic papers, and you can eventually revisit the webinars. Looking at this section again, it's important I think for the entire consortium that I thank again the ADAI group that is taking care of this organization of the webinars, very well attended and very perfectly organized. We have also had, as I told you, some webinars, so you can find this information in this section events. So with this, I stop my presentation. I wish all of you the best, all the best for the continuation of this meeting, and I give back the word to Professor Domingos Viegas. Thank you.